Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for an Amazon warehouse job in the USA. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first step is to open up your web browser and go to amazon.jobs. Now once we're here, we want to click on where it says find jobs, search for jobs by title or keyword and your location. So for search jobs, we want to put in warehouse associate, fulfillment center or Amazon Fresh, depending on what type of role you want. Now location, so enter your city, state or zip code to find openings near you. So what I've done is warehouse associate and United States and click search. Now this is going to take us to the search results for Amazon jobs. Now inside the search results, now we can filter this by industry and experience, so less than 1 year to 7+ years. The job type, so we could search by full-time, part-time. If I want to do full-time work, click that. Job category, we've got fulfillment associate or human resource, so fulfillment associate. Now we've got distance, country, you've also got your state, province, city, team, role type, category, and on the right hand side just scroll through and look at all the different type of warehouse jobs available. Now in the top right hand corner we can sort by most relevant, most recent or distant. So most recent we can sort by. Now if I want to go ahead and go for this one here, that's called the process assistant. So it's going to tell us more about the job on the next page. So it's going to give you the description, key job elements, basic qualifications, preferred qualifications, and a little bit more about the company. And now on the top right hand corner, this is where we can go ahead and apply. So click on that apply now button. You'll need to create an account or sign into your existing account. Now once you've done that, you can go ahead and sign or apply for that job.